We have division of polynomials because we have positive powers, 2, invisible 1, so we can do long division. Our dividend, this is our dividend, this is our divisor. We have to have always this polynomial in the decreasing order. First is okay, so we will copy negative 5q squared plus 2q plus 4. We have to divide by, we have 3 minus q, so I will rewrite this in the decreasing order. So first will be negative q and next will be positive 3. This is our divisor. And next we have to focus always on the first terms, negative 5q squared and negative q. And ask yourself, by what I have to multiply negative q to get negative 5q squared? Because we have negative signs, so now I need to have positive. I need to have 5 and q. 5q times negative q give me negative 5q squared. So everything is okay. Now I have to multiply every term of our divisor by 5q. So 5q times negative q is negative 5q squared. 5q times 3 is positive 15q. Now we have to underline and we have to do subtraction. Negative and negative give me positive, so we have negative 5q plus 5q is 0. We don't have to write. 2q minus 15q, so it will be negative 13q. And we have to take down 4. And again, we have the same power of our divisor and first term, so we can still do the division. We have to ask yourself, by what I have to multiply negative q to get negative 13q? By 13, of course. 13 times negative q give me negative 13q. And now I have to multiply also the next term of our divisor by 13. 13 times 3 is positive 39. Now we have to do subtraction. So negative and negative give me positive. So I have negative 13q plus 13q is 0. We don't have to write. 4 minus 39 is negative 35. So now we cannot do division anymore because the power is like q to 0 power is less than the power of our divisor is invisible 1. So this is our reminder. And now we can rewrite our problem that negative 5q squared plus 2q plus 4 divided by 3 minus q is equal to whatever we have at the top, so 5q plus 13, and we have plus our reminder negative 35 over whatever we have here, our divisor. I can change first, put positive number and negative q. So we can rewrite this one more time because we have positive and negative, so it will be negative 5q plus 13 minus 35 over 3 minus q. This is my solution.